how to enter Temu Referral. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So you will get several referral code through different social media influencers or different platforms. And if you are wondering where to put that, I will show you. So first, simply purchase the device or the anything item you want. Go to buy now, and while paying you will also get the option to add the referral code, and you will have to post or paste the referral code there, and you will get certain amount of discount. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.